Control number 44856, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Hermeline Juarez de Rosario. I'm 42 years old. I have two children, 13 years old and 21 years old. I have two brothers. I'm eldest in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm graduated in KSS in Coronadal City.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong for my future of the family, especially in my children.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
I'm working before from Saudi Arabia in 12 years.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you have experience of taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, I take care baby, newborn, twin, until 8 years old.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I'm cook the employer food like carbonara, pasta, biryani, and magloba rice.
How about Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I manage to my employer all the family there.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I talk to my employer, then I apologize, tell sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
I seem like own family there.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Sir, ma'am, if you choose me, I try my best and good house helper in your house and your children, and then more years to stay there in your house.